Hello YouTube, I'm showing off the LaserPecker 2, a versatile handheld laser engraver. It is an engraver any beginner or experienced maker can use. The basic model is $850 while the deluxe kit is $1,150. Links are provided below. Let's start with the unboxing and going over the contents. First we have is the manual, the included power cables, very important safety goggles, a handy dandy ruler for measuring, a large capacity power pack, a box of sample items to engrave, the versatile third axis module. It comes with a C-shaped mount, and here's the LaserPecker 2 itself. This version looks more like a clothes iron. It is of solid construction and light for portability. Let's set up the different configurations of the LaserPecker 2. The first thing we can do is remove the protective screen. Then set up the stand. This is the base plate, and the adjustable stand fits here. 2 flat screws later, it'll look like this. The head of the stand is adjustable electronically, professionally demonstrated by Sammy Liu Tech. Please check out his channel for its demonstration. The LaserPecker easily attaches on top, and the protective screen just snaps into place. Now let's attach the power cables. This may be a pain due to the number of wires required, and I would count this as a con. The first USB cable is the exhaust, and the next cable powers the stand. The LaserPecker also has the Slab configuration. You use another cable to attach the third axis module. What is cool is under the module, you find bearings to help stabilize larger projects. That's demonstrated by Sammy. They are stored via magnets, and I love hearing that magnetic snap. The LaserPecker can be powered by this 20,000 mAh battery pack. It can last up to 3 hours of work time. Let's go ahead and connect this and power this baby on. Hold up, wait a minute. What's this? There's still the trolley configuration. By using this attachment, and by flipping the third axis module over, and placing the LaserPecker on top, it turns into a trolley. And I just learned from Sammy, the bearings are used to stabilize the trolley. Now that the hardware is set up, let's set up the software. It is downloadable both on iPod and Android. Once Bluetooth is connected, you will need to create and register the device and create a safety passcode to run the laser. You are then able to create QR codes, text, or use photos within the app for the engraving. Set the size and resolution here. Once satisfied, send the instructions to your LaserPecker. For safety reasons, I will be in my garage, where it's well ventilated, and I will wear these goggles to protect my eyes. First, we will use the provided recycled paper and test out the handheld configuration. In the app, you can use the Start Preview button to get a visual, and the LaserPecker has many safety protocols. There's the passcode and auto stops if it senses vibration or overheating. When you are ready to engrave, you click Next. The app will load up the instructions for the engraving, and here you can set the power, the depth, and the number of passes for the laser. Once you are ready, press Start to start the engraving. I'm done with my QR code, and let's test if it works. And it works! This is a good time to like and subscribe to all my social media, and do not forget to comment below what you think of the LaserPecker 2 so far. Now we are going to test engraving in cylinders. I'm not sure why the cup didn't engrave, but luckily I just went to the bathroom. The problem may have been the distance. The laser has to be 11 centimeters from the object in order to work. The third axis is great, and I can see myself engraving many of my logos on mugs, and the goggles work. So far I'm very impressed. In trolley mode, the max engraving is 2 meters. Please refer to Sammy Liu for a better demonstration. I have to say again that I'm very impressed. The laser can engrave in any material I throw at it. The LaserPecker is basically plug and play. It has so many ways it can be used. I give it 5 stars, maybe 4 because of the wires. But other than that, thanks for watching, and do not forget to support my channel below. And also do not forget to give Sammy Liu Tech a visit. I'll link below also. And if you have time, please feel free to visit my website for my blogs on photography, capoeira, and random tech.